Hey, what's going on, guys? We have some cool concept art to talk about for Avengers Infinity War now that the art book has been officially released and fans are sharing images all over the place. So in a previous video we've talked about Spider-Man's different costumes and how one of them came very close to being the comic accurate Iron Spider in the film. This time we're talking about Captain America and some of the alternate costumes that he went through. Early on we had heard rumors about Steve Rogers donning the Nomad mantle or title in the film, as we knew that he wasn't going to be Captain America per se because he had walked away from that at the end of Civil War. But it looks like the Nomad wasn't the only mantle that they thought about going with for Steve Rogers' character. In some new concept art we can see some designs for Steve that actually show him off wearing the US agent costume from the comic books and the blacked out super soldier suit that was also shown in some comic books. Obviously the US agent one is the most interesting because it's actually a suit that Steve Rogers himself has never worn in the comic books. Usually that mantle was held by John Walker, who was kind of a government-sanctioned version of Captain America, but he held none of the morals and ideals that Steve Rogers did. So what do you guys think about this? Are you surprised they were going for this in the concept art with it, that they even considered donning Steve in the red and black iconic comic book outfit? And is this something that you would have actually preferred seeing on screen? Because while I didn't really mind his look in Infinity War, I kind of wish they would have gone a bit further with it because it was essentially just a tannered version of his Civil War costume, and had he actually gone with a completely different costume like US Agent or Nomad or the Super Soldier suit where it was just all black or camouflage or something, I think that would have been really cool and really set him apart for this appearance. But like I said, post your thoughts down in the usual spot, and for more updates on everything Marvel and pop culture, be sure to subscribe to HN Entertainment.